discuss about 24th sum in Maths 1A IPE examination, which will get in properties of triangles. So properties of triangle 7 marks questions I am discussing now. In that, first sum is, in a triangle ABC, if R1 equal to 8, R2 equal to 12, R3 equal to 24, then find small a, b, c. So how to find the values of small ABC if R1, R2, R3 are given? So now let us go to the solution. Given R1 equal to 8, R2 equal to 12, R3 equal to 24. Now we have a formula 1 by small r equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. 1 by r equal to, what is R1 here? 8. So R2 is 12, R3 is 24. Now 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. What is the LCM of 8, 12, 24? 24. So 8 3s are 24, 3 into 1, 3. Plus 12 2s are 24, 2 into 1, 2. Plus 24 1s are 24, 1 into 1, 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 which is equal to 6, 6 by 24 which is equal to 1 by 4. Now we have 1 by r equal to 1 by 4. So from this you can write r is equal to 4. So what is the value of small r now? R is equal to 4. Now we have to find delta. That is delta equal to square root of r, r1, r2, r3. What is small r? 4, r1 8, r2 12, r3 24. So square root of 4 into 8 into 12 into 24. Root of 4 into 8 into 12 can be written as 3 into 4. 24 can be written as 3 into 8. So you can write it as square root of 4 square into 3 square into 8 square, which is 4 into 3 into 8, that is equal to 96. So what is delta now? 96. Now we have small r is equal to delta by s. From this, what is small s? Delta by r. We know the values of delta and r, that is 96 and 4. 96 by 4 will get 24. So what is the value of s now? 24. Now you need to find out the values of small a, b, c. So for that one, we have to use the formulas of small r1, r2, r3. What is r1? Delta by s minus a. S minus a is equal to delta by r1. 96 by 8 which is equal to 12. So s minus a is equal to 12. 24 minus a is equal to 12. What is a now? 24 minus 12, that is equal to 12. So a is equal to 12. Next we have to find the values of r2. R2 is equal to delta by s minus b. S minus b is equal to delta by r2, which is equal to 96 by 12, that is equal to 8. S minus b is equal to 8. 24 minus b is equal to 8. b is equal to 24 minus 8, that is equal to 16. So what is the value of p now? 16. Next formula is r3 equal to delta by s minus c. S minus c is equal to delta by r3. 96 by 24 which is equal to 4. S minus c is equal to 4. 24 minus c is equal to 4. What is the value of c now? 24 minus 4, that is equal to 20. What is the value of c at last? 20. So what are the values of a, b, c? A is equal to 12, b is equal to 16, c is equal to 20. So once again I'll give you the nice explanation about this. We have to use the formulas first. 1 by r equal to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3. Delta is equal to root of r, r1, r2, r3. Delta r is equal to delta by s. R1 equal to delta by s minus a. R2 is equal to delta by s minus b. R3 equal to delta by s minus c. So by using all these formulas and by simplifying, you'll get the values of a, b, c, which has 12, 16, 20. If R1 equal to 2, R2 equal to 3, R3 equal to 6, R equal to 1, then prove that A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. So what are the given values here? R1, R2, R3 and R. Now you need to find the values of ABC. For that one, we have to use the formula delta equal to root of R, R1, R2, R3, which is root of 1 into 2 into 3 into 6, that is equal to root 36 is equal to 6. Now r is equal to delta by s. 1 is equal to 6 by s. So s is equal to 6. Now r1 equal to delta by s minus a. S minus a is equal to delta by r1. 6 by 2 which is equal to 3. S minus a is equal to 3. 6 minus a is equal to 3. What is the value of a? 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3. Next one is r2 is equal to delta by s minus b. S minus b is equal to delta by r2. 6 by 3 which is 2. S minus B is equal to 2. 6 minus B is equal to 2. B is equal to 6 minus 2, which is 4. So what is the value of B now? 4. Next, R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. S minus C is equal to delta by R3. 6 by 6, which is equal to 1. S minus C is equal to 1. 6 minus C is equal to 1. C is equal to 6 minus 1. So C is equal to 5. So what are the values of A, B, C now? A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. Once again, just will revise the formulas. Here R1, R2, R3, R values are given. You need to find out the values of A, B, C. For that purpose, we used the formulas delta is equal to root of R, R1, R2, R3. Then you will get delta is equal to 6. Then by using R is equal to delta by S, you can get the value of S as 6. And again by using R1 equal to delta by S minus A. What is the value of A? 3. R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. You will get the value of B as 4. R3 is equal to delta by S minus, you will get the value of C as 5. Next, we will go to the third question. In triangle ABC, if A is equal to 13, B is equal to 14, C is equal to 5, then show that capital R is equal to 65 by 8, small r equal to 4, R1 equal to 21 by 2, R2 is equal to 12, R3 is equal to 14. So what are the given values now? A is equal to 13, B is equal to 14, C is equal to 15. Now we have a formula 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. 13 plus 14 plus 15, which is equal to 42. 2S is equal to 40, 2S is equal to 21. And delta is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. 21 into 21 minus 13 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 15 under square root. So that is square root of 21 into 8 into 7 into 6, which is 21 can be written as 3 into 7, 8 can be written as 4 into 2, and 7 as it is 6 can be written as 3 into 2. So you can write it as square root of 3 square into 4 square into 7 square, which is 3 into 4 into 7, which is 84. What is the value of delta? You got 84. Capital R is equal to, now we have to use 5 formulas to get the values of capital R, small r, R1, R2, R3. First one is capital R is equal to ABC by 4 delta. 13 into 14 into 15 by 4 into 84. So by doing cancellation, you will get 65 by 8. Next, small r is equal to delta by S, which is 84 by 21, which is equal to 4. R1 equal to delta by S minus A, 84 by 21 minus 13, 84 by 8, which is equal to 21 by 2. R2 is equal to delta by S minus B, 84 by 21 minus 14, 84 by 7, which is equal to 12. R3 is equal to delta by S minus C, 84 by 21 minus 15, which is 84 by 6, which is equal to 14. So here once again we will revise the formulas. Given values are A, B, C, small a, small b, small c. You need to find out the values of capital R, small r, R1, R2, R3. We used the formulas 2S is equal to A plus B plus C, then you will get S is equal to 21. Delta is equal to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. We will get the value of delta as 84. Capital R is equal to ABC by 4 delta, you will get 65 by 8. Small r equal to delta by S, you will get 4. R1 equal to delta by S minus A, you will get 21 by 2. R2 is equal to delta by S minus B, you will get 12. R3 equal to delta by S minus, you will get 14. That's all. Next problem. If A is equal to B plus C into cos theta, then prove that sin theta is equal to 2 root BC by B plus C into cos A by 2. A is equal to B plus C into cos theta given. Cos theta equal to A by B plus C. And we know that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, which is 1 minus, what is cos theta? A by B plus C. Cos square theta is A square by B plus C whole square. What is LCM here? B plus C whole square. B plus C whole square into 1, B plus C whole square minus A square. Now apply A plus B whole square formula. Now here B plus C whole square becomes B square plus C square plus 2BC minus A square here. Now 2BC, and I am writing B square plus C square minus A square in the next part by B plus C whole square. 2BC, and from cosine rule, what is B square plus C square minus A square? 2BC cos A by B plus C whole square. In the numerator, what is common factor? 2BC. 2BC into 1 plus cos A by B plus C whole square. 2BC into, what is 1 plus cos A formula? 2 cos square A by 2. 2 into 2, 4BC by cos square 4bc into cos square a by 2 by b plus c whole square. Now from this sin theta is equal to 2 root bc by b plus c into cos a by 2. Once again I will revise this. A is equal to b plus c into cos theta. Cos theta is equal to a by b plus c. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus a square by b plus c whole square. So by doing LCM and by simplifying you will get 2 root bc by b plus c into cos a by 2. If sin theta equal to a by b plus c, then show that cos theta is equal to 2 root bc by b plus c into cos a by 2. Sin theta is equal to a by b plus c. From the sin square theta is equal to a square by b plus c whole square. We know the formula cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus a square by b plus c whole square, which is b plus c whole square minus a square by b plus c whole square. Now expanding b plus c whole square, b square plus c square plus 2bc minus a square by b plus c whole square. 2bc plus b square plus c square minus a square by b plus c whole square. From cosine rule, b square plus c square minus a square is 2bc cos a. In these two, what is common? 2bc is common factor into 1 plus cos a by b plus c whole square. What is 1 plus cos a formula? 2 cos square a by 2. 2 into 2, 4bc by b plus c whole square into cos square a by 2. Cos theta is equal to 2 root bc by b plus c into cos a by 2. Therefore, from sin theta is equal to a by b plus c. Now we got the answer as cos theta is 2 root bc by b plus c into cos a by 2. If a is equal to b minus c into secant theta, then prove that tan theta is equal to 2 root bc by b minus c into sin a by 2. Given a is equal to b minus c into secant theta. Secant theta is equal to a by b minus c. And secant square theta is what? A square by b minus c whole square. By squaring this, you will get this. And you have a formula. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. What is secant square theta? A square by b minus c whole square minus 1. A square minus b minus c whole square by b minus c whole square. A square minus of, expand this now, b square plus c square minus 2bc. Now, minus of minus 2bc becomes plus 2bc minus of b square plus c square. Here plus a square, if you send to minus term, then it is minus of a square by b minus c whole square. And again use cosine rule. B square plus c square minus a square is 2bc cos a. Take out 2bc as common, 1 minus cos a. 2bc by b minus c whole square into 2 sin square a by 2. 2 into 2, 4bc by b minus c whole square into sin square a by 2. Therefore, tan theta equal to, by doing square root of this, you will get 2 root bc by b minus c into sin a by 2. So, the remaining 7 marks questions from these properties of triangles will be discussed in part 2. Now, 6 problems I am uploading. Just once you check and learn all the problems, so that definitely will get one 7 marks question in the final examination. Thank you.